This is a short video tutorial for the guidance counselors who are teaching the dual enrollment SDV 101 course to show you how to set up your course and publish it so that students can access it. So I'm on the home page for a sandbox course that I have that I'm using for a demonstration, and you'll see a similar page as the home page for your SDV 101. You'll notice that we've already updated the title for your course and we've included a welcome or introduction message. So really the only thing that you need to update in the course is this contact information. And the way that you do that is you actually go to the edit button in the top right hand corner, click edit, and you'll go into edit mode and then scroll down to where the contact information is. And if you click on that placeholder for the photo, and then go to the right-hand side and click on Images. You can then search out on your computer by going to Upload New Image to find your profile picture. So I'm going to click on Upload a New Image because I've got a picture out there that I want to use. And it's going to ask me to choose a file, and then it's going to open up, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to find a folder that I have with profile pictures in it. And I'm going to open that, and there's the profile picture that I want to use. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to click open. And I'm not going to give it any kind of alternative text. So, well, I can. Let's do it just for the sake of doing it. I'll call it a profile pic. And then I'm going to click upload. And it's going to upload the picture. It's also going to add it in where that placeholder was in the page. And you're going to see my picture is huge. So I don't want that picture to be quite so big. It's a little too large. So I'm going to click on it. You'll see that it turns blue and I get a little handle out here. And then I can adjust the size of it. So I'm going to just adjust the size until it gets down to the size that I want, which is really kind of small. And I probably use too big of a pic, but if you use a smaller one, you might not have this issue. So again, I'm going to keep adjusting it until it gets down to a reasonable size, and maybe just a little smaller. There we go. So now my profile pic is in there, and now all I have to do is type in my name, my email address, my phone number, if you want them to have a phone number. And you can put in your office hours. You can also write a little paragraph if you want for the About Me section. That's completely up to you, but you can see I just place my cursor and I'm going to write in all the stuff for my contact information, everything that I want to include. Once I'm done, all I have to do is click the Save button at the bottom, and it's going to save all that information. If I scroll down through here, you'll see that my contact information has been saved. And that's really all you've got to do as far as adding information to this homepage. Everything else has been set up for you, so you just have to add your contact information. Then the last step to make the course available for students, if you'll go to the top of the homepage, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, oh, wait a minute, let me go to homepage. Go to homepage, up here on the left where it says home. And then if you look at the top right-hand part of the homepage, you'll see there's an unpublished and a published. Right now, mine says unpublished, and that's probably what yours says too, and you'll see it's highlighted in red. I want to click the publish button, and you'll see that button turn green. That means the course is published. And if I go out there and I look at the modules, you'll see that they're all already published. They all have green check marks. So that means that we are good to go. On all of the assignments that they need to be able to access. So anything that is published is what they need to be able to access, and you can see that all those are in there. And that's really all that matters. As long as everything's published, your students will be able to get to it, and as long as the course is published, they can get to the course. If you have any questions about this in your SDV 101 as you're setting it up, please feel free to send me an email or give me a call, and I'll be happy to kind of walk you through this, but I think this video will help you get it done.